While our iPhones excel at capturing vibrant colors and tones in visual, relying solely on the built-in microphone might not deliver audio quality that matches the HDR excellence of the device's video recording. As your subject moves away from the microphone, there's a noticeable decline in audio quality, and the risk of capturing unwanted background noises or interference becomes higher. Wind interference, in particular, can severely compromise recordings due to the low-frequency rumble it generates on the iPhone's mic. Fortunately, a wide range of external microphones is available to enhance the audio quality of our recordings, bringing them up to the standards set by the HDR video capabilities of the best iPhones. The key is selecting the right microphone for our specific needs. Whether it's for wedding videographers, YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, or any other purpose, this guide is for you. We have curated the best external iPhone microphones that will ensure clear and high-quality audio recordings. Here goes our top recommendation. All product links are provided in the description. 5. Hollyland Lark Max Duo. The Hollyland Lark Max Duo is the best iPhone microphone kit for quick setups, offering effective features and specifications to enhance your recording experience. The 3.5mm TRS connector ensures easy connectivity, and the impressive battery life includes 7.5 hours for the transmitter and 9 hours for the receiver, with a substantial 250 meters transmission range. One key advantage of the Hollyland Lark Max Duo is its seamless auto-pairing between the microphones and the transmitter, along with long-distance transmission capabilities for hassle-free recording. The kit also offers onboard recording, a valuable feature for immediate recording needs. Notably, it is recognized for its negligible latency and elimination of signal dropouts, providing a consistently stable connection during recording sessions. To enhance versatility, the kit includes windshields for minimizing wind rumble during outdoor recordings. Cabled lavalier microphones offer discrete recording options, similar to other renowned kits. The streamlined attachment of the transmitter to your subject allows for quick and convenient setups, whether clipped onto clothing or attached magnetically to a supplied pendant worn by the subject. The Hollyland Lark Max Duo also features environmental noise cancellation technology in its transmitter microphones, minimizing unwanted background noise for clear audio. With 8 GB of internal storage, the kit allows onboard recordings of lossless WAV files, adding flexibility to your recording workflow. A potential drawback is the absence of level control buttons on the transmitter. However, like other wireless mic kits, the Hollyland Lark Max Duo includes a charging case, ensuring uniform performance by keeping the transmitters and receiver charged. Both transmitters automatically pair with the receiver upon removal from the case, allowing prompt recording. In summary, the Hollyland Lark Max Duo is the best choice for high-quality audio recordings, particularly in scenarios requiring quick and efficient setups. 4. Rode Wireless Pro. The Rode Wireless Pro is the best wireless iPhone microphone for video professionals. It features an omnidirectional polar pattern, capturing audio with a frequency response ranging from 20 Hz to 20 kHz, and ensures clear and precise recordings with its sensitivity. The 3.5mm TRS connector allows easy connectivity and the reliable battery life, along with an impressive 260 meters transmission range, accommodates various recording scenarios. The Rode Wireless Pro has 32-bit float recording capability, providing a superior audio recording format. The package includes a charge case and accessory case for convenient storage and charging. Complete with lav mics and windshields, the kit is versatile for different recording situations. The onboard recording feature serves as a valuable backup solution in case of signal dropouts. While there are cheaper alternatives available, the Rode Wireless Pro remains the top choice for video professionals seeking a reliable and feature-rich wireless microphone system. Operating as a conventional wireless mic system with 2 transmitters and a receiver, the Rode Wireless Pro easily attaches to an iPhone using the supplied lightning cable adapter. Housed in a carry case, similar to other wireless mic kits, simultaneous charging of all 3 units ensures equal performance during a shoot. Noteworthy is the onboard recording feature on the transmitters, a beneficial safeguard in case of signal loss. Unlike some alternatives, such as the Saramonic BlinkMe, the Wireless Pro records in a superior 32-bit float file format, minimizing concerns about setting the gain incorrectly and allowing flexibility in post-production editing for problematic recordings. In summary, the Rode Wireless is a top choice for video professionals seeking a wireless iPhone microphone, offering advanced features and reliable performance for a range of recording scenarios. 3. Godox Virso M2. The Godox Virso M2 is unequivocally the best iPhone microphone for capturing conversations, Its specifications include an omnidirectional polar pattern. Featuring a 3.5mm TRS connector, the microphone ensures straightforward connectivity. The transmitter boasts a battery life of 13 hours, while the receiver extends to 17 hours, and an impressive transmission range of 200 meters. Reasons to opt for the Godox Virso M2 encompass its exceptional long range, guaranteeing a stable connection without any dropout issues. The added advantage of onboard recording via microSD provides convenience, and the microphone is ready to use straight from the box. However, it's the lack of supplied 3.5mm jack for Lightning adapter for iPhone 14 and below. Unlike several wireless mic kits that involve clipping boxy transmitters onto clothing, the Godox Virso M2 introduces a discreet alternative. You can clip the transmitter onto your belt for a more inconspicuous appearance. By connecting a supplied lavalier cable mic to the transmitter, the cable can be tucked inside your shirt, with only the small mic visible when clipped to the top of your shirt. In comparison to others, which also includes 2 lavalier cable mics, the Godox Virso M2 stands out as a more cost-effective choice. Notably, the Virso M2 possesses the capability to transmit from 200 meters, maintaining effectiveness even in scenarios where line of sight is lost. For professional sound recordists, the Godox Virso M2 offers continuous monitoring through the receiver's headphone output socket. This feature allows real-time identification of issues such as dropouts and wind noise, enabling prompt adjustments or re-recording if necessary. In instances where monitoring is challenging due to distance from the camera, sound can be directly recorded onto a micro SD card inserted into the transmitter. In the event of a dropout in the connection between the transmitter and receiver, the uninterrupted recording can be effortlessly retrieved from the micro SD card. 2. SmallRig All-in-One Video Kit for Smartphone Creators. The SmallRig All-in-One Video Kit for Smartphone Creators is the best on-camera microphone for wedding videographers, featuring specifications tailored to enhance your recording experience. The microphone has a cardioid polar pattern, capturing audio with a frequency response from 50 Hz to 16 kHz, and a sensitivity of 38 dB plus 3 dB. The 3.5mm TRS and TRRS coiled cables ensure easy connectivity, while the absence of a battery and transmission range emphasizes its on-camera functionality. Reasons to opt for this kit include its directional gun mic, effectively reducing unwanted ambient sounds. The included windshield mitigates rumble, ensuring clear audio, and the suspension mount minimizes handling noise, enhancing overall recording quality. The availability of multiple connection cables adds versatility, allowing connections to different devices. However, it's important to note the inclusion of accessories, such as the LED, adds to the overall cost of the kit. When using a directional shotgun mic like this, proper mounting onto the iPhone is crucial. Unlike most other gun mics that require separate accessories, the SmallRig's iPhone cage has built-in cold shoe mounts. This feature facilitates easy attachment of the kit's supplied gun mic, as well as a shoe-mountable LED lamp. The gun mic in the kit features a plastic shock mount designed to reduce handling sounds that could interfere with your audio recording. With a cardioid polar pattern, it effectively focuses on the subject's voice while minimizing unwanted background sounds, particularly advantageous in noisy wedding environments. The kit ships with various mic-to-phone cables, including a 3.5mm jack to Lightning adapter for compatibility with older iPhone models. Additionally, a supplied wool cover helps reduce wind noise during outdoor shooting. Using a mic mounted on this rig elevates your professional image, avoiding any misconception of being just a wedding guest with an iPhone. If professionalism is a priority, especially in a wedding setting, this directional gun mic, along with its accompanying accessories, is well suited to meet your needs. 1. Saramonic BlinkMe. The Saramonic BlinkMe takes the lead as the best iPhone microphone, offering impressive features. It comes with an omnidirectional polar pattern, a wireless 3.5mm jack connector, and a robust battery life of 6-8 hours for the transmitter and 24 hours for the receiver. With a transmission range of 100 meters, it ensures reliable performance. Choose the Saramonic BlinkMe for its ability to cut down wind noise, deliver professional-grade sound, and provide long-distance transmitters. The touchscreen controls enhance user convenience, and the onboard recording feature adds an extra layer of reliability. On the downside, be mindful that the transmitter can feel heavy when clipped to clothing, and its size may pose challenges for discreet concealment. In professional sound recording scenarios, reliability is non-negotiable, especially when capturing audio from a distance. The BlinkMe excels in mitigating wind noise and maintaining a stable connection, even in challenging conditions. Impressively, the microphone delivered loud, clear, and clean audio even at a considerable distance, with obstacles like a thick brick wall blocking line of sight. For added security, the transmitters come equipped with onboard recording capabilities. In case of a dropout, seamlessly replace missing sound with a high-quality WAV file recorded on the transmitters. A secondary safety track at 6 dB provides an extra layer of utility, particularly for addressing distortion due to peaking when mic sound levels are too high. While the circular transmitter mics may cause some clothing sagging, especially when attached to the magnetic clip mount, the Saramonic BlinkMe remains a compelling choice for its robust power and high-performance capabilities, making it a desirable iPhone mic kit. Thank you for watching. If you found this video useful, please like, share, and subscribe for more product recommendations.